Good morning. Hi, B students. This is social studies work. So click into classwork and then go to today. You will see December 21st, map of Maine, and you are going to update your timeline. To update your timeline, I have posted all of the articles that we've read for your viewing pleasure. So I know your folders are at school, but this is the same thing we read in class. You can get your dates and your headlines off of these to update your timeline. So that's one thing that you need to do. And the second thing that you're going to do is you are going to make a draft. Oh, it's snowing. A draft of a map that you're going to make when we get back to school in January. So the draft is so you can find all of the places very easily and put them on your map. Okay. So we're on number 2. Use Google Maps to place markers for all of the locations required on your map of Maine. Make sure to copy and paste the link of your map onto your Google Doc. And then hopefully you're watching this video. So that's what that says right there. So you're going to click into Mapping Maine. You are going to open this Google Doc. This steel is going to make it a teeny bit bigger once it loads. Actually, I should probably put my glasses on. Okay, so Mapping Maine. Here's your learning target. I can use technology to create a map. So it says using Google Maps, fill in the map of Maine with the following places and landforms. You will use the Google map you create to fill in the paper map of Maine. So here are your directions. See if you can follow them. 1, open Google Maps and drag the tab to a new window. So you click into this link, click into the web address there, and then you open Google Maps. You're going to take this tab, drag it so it's in a new window. So you have both of your directions and your map side by side. Just makes it easier to find all your places. All right, so that's 1. Check. 2, on the left sidebar in search, type the place you are looking for. For example, Portland, Maine. So over here in the search bar, you're just going to type Portland, Maine. And I don't even have to type the whole thing. It shows up right there. And there's Portland. I got it. Okay. Then, once found, click on the Save button. So you're going to click this Save button right here. So click on Save. And I've already done this, so that's why mine looks a little bit different than yours. So then it says, number 4, select New List and title it Map of Maine. So you're going to go New List, and then right here, you're going to type Map of Maine, and then Create. For every other place, click Save, click the Save button and Map of Maine to have every place on the Google map. So once you do that, you'll have this map of Maine here, and you'll have a whole list of places and all of the different points on your map. So I'm going to show you one more time. So let's say Bangor, Maine, right there. It zooms in. It shows me Bangor in my little menu here. Clicking Save. Then you've already named your map of Maine. Click this, and I just unsaved it, but click that and then save it to your map of Maine, and you know you have done it because you've got this little check mark right there. Okay. So you are going to put everything that has a box in front of it on your map. Anything that has a star is for exceeds. So Bangor, Augusta, Portland, Presque Isle, Passamaquoddy, India Township, Holton Ban of Maliset, on and on and on. Landforms, Mount Katahdin. When we get down to where it says water, you are going to be labeling and tracing it blue on your paper map. You don't have your paper map today, so you're not going to do the water. But please notice the rivers that you will be responsible for, okay? To exceed, remember, everything with a star, including everything in this list, okay? So if your goal is to exceed, or maybe to meets plus, you could add in landforms. The king houses are named after, so Kineo, Moxie, Monhegan, Matinicus, Moosehead, Sebago. You have to have 3 major lakes, so you might want to look for those. And then you'll have a key and include everything with a star. Okay, back to your map, which is your assignment today. If you have to stop your map for some reason, and let's just say you have to go to bed and you're going to finish it tomorrow or whatever. On the second page, it says, to continue your map, click on the 3 horizontal lines or the hamburger, go down to My Places, and then open your map of Maine. So to do that, you would click Open Your Hamburger, and then this menu opens. You're going to come down to where it says Your Places. Click that open. Once you're here, you have to go to Saved. So not labeled, but click over one to Saved. And then you've got your map of Maine right there. Okay? Now, and then you click that open and you can continue to work. Okay? So I'll just show you my map real quick. Let me move me. So these are all the different places that I've put in. And you see them in my list over here, which actually Google Maps is pretty nice, because if I wanted to know about Indian Township, I could click here. It would show me exactly where it was. And I also could click into it, and it opens up to this, where I have some photos. Oh, and look, some quick facts. So if you are in the mood to learn a little bit more, you could actually come here and click into each one, but you don't have to if you wanted to. What was I doing? Oh yeah, vertical dots. Okay, so hamburger, Your Places, Saved, Map of Maine. Here's my vertical dots. Okay, so this is to share it when you're done finding everything, or Tuesday afternoon rolls around and you're like, I better submit this so I get a grade. You're going to click open the vertical dots. You're going to go to sharing options, and then you're going to hit the middle button, which is share. And then you're going to copy and paste it. So you're going to come here, sharing options, and then share this one right here. And then you're just going to copy the link, and you're going to click back over here, and you're going to paste it in. Remember, paste is Command and V. Okay? Once you do that, you can submit it, because the rest of this, your rough draft of your map is done. We're going to do the final when we're back in school. Okay? And then just a reminder to you let me move myself again. Oops. To continue, can I dismiss that? Working on your timeline. Okay? Update your timeline using the attached article. I will post a video on how to add pictures, because I know some of you are looking forward to that. Okay. Good luck.